Hi guys, it's Zack Attack, and this is the Fnaf 1 challenge in Ultimate Custom Night. I'm gonna put Freddy on 5, Bonnie on 5, Chica on 5, Foxy on 5, and Golden Freddy on 5. Let's start this thing. Alright, we are now in.
How may I be of service to you?
Golden Freddy. Chica's still rattling her pots and pans. Bonnie just knocked out my cameras. We're at 2 a.m. I think we can do this. Change the music. There we go. Foxy's in Pirate Cove. Let's see where he's at. Alright, that's fine. Let me click on Rockstar Fox's bird. Get 1% power. Reset the validation. Get out of here, Golden Freddy. We're at 2 a.m. Fun fact, that's actually my favorite music. Love that one. We're at 3 a.m. I think we can do this. Let me turn the disc fan on again. Freddy! I totally forgot about him. My game glitched. Oh, never mind. Alright, we're gonna go again. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Wow, she just stopped banging her pots and pans really quick that time. I'm just going around getting coins. Turn the disc fan back on. Freddy's slowly edging closer. Foxy's peering out of Pirate Cove. Get out of here. If anybody just saw what happened, I just eliminated Bonnie and Foxy with the death coin. So Freddy, Chica, and Golden Freddy are the only people I'm having to worry about now. gonna go ahead and see what Freddy is. Just send him on. I don't even know if Freddy will attack again this night.
So I'll do ye a favor.
This is going pretty well, guys. Still banging pots and pans. Man, she loves pots and pans.
So I'll do ye a favor.
He's gonna do ye a favor. I just want my power. I'm doing fine. I have 78 power at 4 a.m. Turn the fan back on. Oh my gosh, I forgot about Freddy again. Okay. Well, we're gonna go at it one more time. If we fail that one, we're just gonna forget about it. Let's go. No, Dee Dee. Well, here's Dee Dee doing a sneaky thing. Let's find out who she threw in. Vince Duds. Nothing. Toy Freddy. She threw in my most dreaded enemy in this game. I just hope she didn't turn him up too high. I'm going to be using a lot of my focus on Toy Freddy now. Knowing that she added him.
So I'll do ye a favor.
Toy Freddy, okay, he's still there. Mr. Hugs is attacking Toy Freddy. Mr. Hugs is very intense. I hate Toy Freddy the worst in this game.
So I'll do ye a favor.
Rockstar Foxy, I need power, dude. I'm losing it fast. This time we're gonna win this thing, guys. And girls. Mr. Hugs move, Mr. Hugs move. I'm gonna try to survive. Hopefully I'm not gonna have to operate anybody else. Alright, so nobody can get me if I just sit in my office. Lock all the doors. Nobody's getting in this one. We win! Let's go! We did it! We only got 350 points, but we did it! And I never figured out how she added. Let's see how she added. We'll see in a minute. She added... Oh yeah, she had Toy Freddy. She made Toy Freddy a 10. Wow. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and end this episode here. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you all next time. Good. Bye!